One UI 8.5 is almost here, and even though some people only get excited for big changes, I think the small upgrades are often the ones that matter most. Little things add up, and they can make your phone feel smoother, smarter, and easier to live with every single day. I haven't personally installed the One UI 8.5 beta, but I'll be using the stable version soon enough. That could happen through a Galaxy S26 upgrade next month, or later this year when One UI 8.5 reaches my Galaxy S24. Either way, the official changelog is already out, and there are 3 simple-looking features that I'm genuinely looking forward to. These aren't flashy features meant to impress people in a demo. They're practical changes that could quietly improve everyday use, and for me, that's the best kind of update. First up, Bixby finally seems like it makes more sense for hands-free use. I'll be honest, I'm not a big Bixby person. I've never felt like it was essential, and most of the time I stick to doing things manually. But with One UI 8.5, Samsung is making Bixby more context-aware. That means it can better understand what you're trying to do, and even suggest or change settings, depending on how you want your phone to behave. Normally, that kind of thing doesn't sound life-changing, but there's one situation where it could be a big deal: driving. As smart as Galaxy phones are, hands-free use in the car has always felt a little awkward. Voice commands often feel incomplete, and controlling apps while driving doesn't always work smoothly. You either repeat commands, get the wrong action, or end up touching the screen anyway, which defeats the whole point of hands-free. This Bixby upgrade could finally make driving mode feel more natural. If Bixby can handle common tasks quickly, and actually understand what you want without extra effort, it could make a real difference. I'm not saying it will suddenly become perfect, but I'm cautiously optimistic. If it works well, it could make Bixby more useful than it has ever been for people who want safer and simpler voice control. The second feature I'm excited about is weather alarms. Not everyone cares about Samsung's weather app. Some people barely open it. But I check the weather every single day. I like knowing what the day is going to feel like before I walk outside. With One UI 8.5, Samsung isn't completely changing the weather app itself, but it is adding weather information to alarms. And this is one of those changes that sounds small, but feels thoughtful. You'll be able to set weather details as the background of your alarm, and when the alarm goes off, you'll immediately see current conditions. So instead of waking up and unlocking your phone just to check if it's raining or freezing outside, the information is already there. For me, this sounds like a genuinely nicer way to start the morning, especially when the blinds are still closed, and you don't know what the sky looks like. A quick glance at your alarm screen can tell you if it's sunny, cloudy, or stormy. It's not a major feature, but it feels like one of those quality touches that make the phone feel more personal and helpful. The third feature is a long overdue Samsung DeX upgrade. I don't use Samsung DeX as much as I used to, but I still think it's one of Samsung's coolest ideas. It basically turns your phone into a desktop-like experience when you connect it to a monitor or use it in a DeX environment. The big upgrade in One UI 8.5 is that DeX will finally remember window sizes and positions. This might sound like a minor detail, but if you've ever used DeX regularly, you know how important this is. Without it, you have to constantly resize your apps, move windows around, and set everything up again every time. It's annoying, and it makes DeX feel less like a real desktop experience. With One UI 8.5, DeX will remember how you like your layout, which makes the whole system feel more polished and efficient. Honestly, it's such an obvious feature that you wonder why it wasn't there earlier. But now that it's coming, it might be enough to make me give DeX another real try and see how it feels with this improvement. So those are my top 3 deceptively simple One UI 8.5 features: a smarter Bixby for hands-free use, weather information built into alarms, and DeX remembering window layouts. None of them are huge headline grabbers, but they're the kind of updates that can make your phone feel better every single day. And for me, that's exactly what a good software update should do.